that a car? You looking for the sheep? Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? I see it. Tyler, I see the sheep. It's over there. You see him? Go get the sheep. Go get him. Bah. He's right there. What's that? Is that corn? With a bird on it? What you doing, Logan? What? What happened? Is it empty? Oh no. Uh-oh. Is it empty? Should we fill it up? Should we find all the animals? Animals, where are you? I see a sheep over here. You want to go get it? You see the sheep? There you go. Let's put him in there. Oh, I see the little farm girl too, honey. Logan, you're going to put the farm girl in there? You going to put the farm girl? Little girl? There you go. Good stuff. What else can we put in there, Logan? You can put the star. Good. Yeah. Hi, Ty. Don't run your brother over. Watch out, Logie. Hi, Tyler. Tyler, can you say mommy? Can you say mommy? Oh, uh-oh. Can you throw the football? Good job. Good throw, Tyler. Yeah. Yes, baby. Hi. I'm watching you. Get the ball. Bounce the bally. You gonna throw it? Ball. Good job, buddy. Good job, Logan. What you doing, Ty? What are you doing? You trying to break in the house? Where are you going? Honey, the bubble machine's broken. Sorry. It's broken.